Yeah, one of the benefits of the software that you implement from us is that we collect vast amounts of data, right? You've heard people refer to it as big data, right? These are terabytes and terabytes of data. And in fact, in our cloud right now, we're managing almost 9 petabytes of data. So it's enormous sets of data. And historically, companies haven't been able to figure out how to turn that data into useful insights because it's so large, a data set to manipulate. And they haven't had the expertise in terms of data scientists, PhDs from MIT, to come in and actually figure out how you turn that data into insight. So what machine learning does is it takes all of that data and basically the massive supercomputer, which you have in the cloud, leverages that huge data set to find patterns in it. And it learns based on what they are as a business conducts itself. And you can use that to optimize pricing decisions, to optimize customer interactions, to find things that help fine-tune your supply chain, all by looking for patterns in that data. People always, like one of the classic examples you always hear as it relates to machine learning is the whole babies and diapers and beer in a supermarket. You never would have known to put those two items together on a shelf. And the reason why is when they looked at all the point of sale transactions, they started to see that those two things were being bought together. And it's because the dad would go out at night to pick up diapers and he'd grab a 6-pack while he was at the store. Now, you wouldn't have known that. It's not an obvious human thing, intuition to have. But when you look at these vast amounts of data, you could actually see those two items were in the same shopping basket together. And that kind of thinking now is being embedded in consumer devices everywhere, whether it's wearables, it's a thermometer, it's a car, what have you, right? That's the power of big data and machine learning.